Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back, or welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. In today's video, as it's Sunday and every Sunday and part of this Vlogmas, I will be sharing with you a Christmas bake for you to make for your family and friends and yourself. So I've just been to Asda. It's freezing cold outside, that's probably why I've got a bright red nose, and I'm going to share with you today how to make a cinnamon roll Christmas treat. Really easy, cheap way really, but I'll show you how to do this anyway, so I hope you enjoy. So for this I brought 3 rolls of cinnamon swirls, just roll cinnamon swirls. They are £5 for all 3 of them. It was £2 each, but 3 for £5, so I got that. I've lined a baking tray with parchment paper, and then I've got my chopping board and knife here to cut them up, and then we'll turn the oven on in a minute, but we'll show you now. Okay, so just follow the instructions on the back. It says they cook in 11 to 14 minutes on 180 fan oven. So I've turned the oven on. I'm just going to cut these up now, and dead easy, you just have to put them into a Christmas tree shape, and then the icing we'll do after. Okay, so cinnamon rolls weren't playing game of popping out the pot. Only one popped out like that. The rest I had to tin open and pull out myself. But you need to cut these into 6. Each roll is 6 slices basically. And then these just need to go on the tray for now, but you can move them later to what you want once you've cut them all up. Okay, then you want to make a tree shape on your parchment paper. So 1, then to 2, 3, 4, and then as you get to the bottom, just go down to 3 again, and then 1 for the stalk at the end, so that is like your Christmas tree shape. Now you put it in the oven for 11 to 14 minutes depending on what your package says, and then we'll sprinkle it over with the icing after. But that is how easy it is really, and it is kind of Christmas tree shape. Maybe I'd put 1 more there, but I might try and do that now, and then put it in the oven. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. So there is mine. The Christmas tree shape has like deformed as such because of it was too big for the tray, but you can kind of still see, and you could always cut it back into shape. So now you just need to mix this up. I'm actually going to put some green food colouring in it and some sprinkles as well, and then you spray it all over the top, drizzle it all over the top. So I'll do that now and show you. So the only thing clear I can find is my measuring jug, so I'm just going to pour these in now. And all you do is add a bit of water to them, and then that mixes up into icing. And then I'm going to add a bit of yellow food colouring. With the end of a fork into it. And then I'm going to add a bit of blue as well, because blue and yellow makes green. That's really cool green. Now I'm going to drizzle this over my Christmas tree. And then with star hundreds and thousands, just literally sprinkle them over too, like they're Christmas decorations. And there you have a Christmas tree, kind of. And there you have your Christmas tree cinnamon roll tear and share, basically. I love cinnamon rolls and I can't wait to share this with others, and also you're not meant to, but I freeze it and have it for breakfast, so shh, but never mind. So yeah, that is your first easy Christmas bake. And that is it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you would make this easy bake. Would you make it for friends or family, for a Christmas party, or what would you make it for? Please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.